Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your recording sound for videos on your iPhone. So let's get started. So this is a new feature on the newer iPhone. In order to change this setting, all you're going to do is go into your setting on your iPhone and then find the camera setting right here. And from there on, you'll see a new setting called record sound. If I tap on that, by default it'll be either probably selected to spatial audio or stereo. Basically, the spatial audio is a new sound system that will allow you to record in 3D audio format. As you can read about it, this audio, whenever you're in cinematic mode use or an audio mix is selected in the photos. Now you can change this to stereo, which is going to be what used to be on the older phones, or you can go with mono here, but stereo is going to be your best option if you don't want to use that spatial audio. The spatial audio is known to cause some issues with some videos on some devices, some users having problems with it, so I recommend probably changing it to stereo, and then you can change it accordingly using these settings. So let's say you change the video record sound on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.